step in helping increase your office's cash flow is finding ways of operating more efficiently, in turn reducing your overhead. The biggest source of overhead in a dental practice is labor. If you can start using features in Practice Web that help your office staff work more efficiently, then you will see a significant increase in your office production, which translates into profit for your office. The two features we're going to cover in this video are the Appointment Procedures Quick Add for scheduling appointments and the single-click procedure buttons in the chart module. These two features allow your staff to quickly and efficiently schedule appointments and enter treatment so they can use their time in other areas like collecting on insurance claims and, most importantly, patient care. In order to quickly and efficiently schedule an appointment, it is important to know how to properly schedule an appointment. You want to make sure that when you schedule an appointment, you attach the procedures that the patient will have done. This can easily be done by using the Appointment Procedures Quick Add. This column is designed to be used when creating an appointment for a new patient or for a patient that is receiving routine care. As you can see in this example, we have all of the basic procedures listed. Some of the buttons have single procedure codes, and some of them have multiple codes attached. These are also known as explosion codes. You can customize these explosion codes for your office's needs. To customize these buttons, you go up to the Setup menu, then to Definitions. In the Definition screen, in the column on the left, you see the item for Appointment Procs Quick Add. These are the buttons that you see in the center column of your Edit Appointment screen. To customize these buttons, you can either edit what is here by double left clicking on that line item, or you can click on the Add button to create a completely new explosion code. In order to create a multi-code button or explosion code, in the Edit Definitions box, enter the description. This is the name you'll give this button. It is how you'll identify this button from the Edit Appointment screen. In the ADA Codes box, enter the different codes that you would want to have attached to this button, separated by a comma. Then click OK to save. The button you just created is now available for use in your Edit Appointment screen. Even though it does greatly help speed up the process of entering treatment, the appointment is not the only place where it is necessary to enter procedures. Since Practice Web is designed to help you achieve the paperless office, it is extremely important that all of your patient's treatment history and any future treatment plans are entered into the software. The single-click buttons are the feature that will help you accomplish this process more efficiently. These buttons are fully customizable to your practice. You can have buttons with single procedure codes, and you can have buttons with multiple codes attached. You can customize these buttons by going to the Setup menu, then going down to Procedure Buttons. Since you have the ability to customize any buttons you want, it is important to organize them. I recommend you create categories to do this. When it comes to naming your categories, depending on how your office will most quickly and efficiently find your buttons, that is how you should name your categories. For an example, if your office has one standard for all procedures done, you can name the category something like perio, x-rays, or crowns. If you are a multiple provider practice and each provider bills different sets of codes, you can use the doctor's names as the categories, so each doctor has their own set of buttons. There is no limit to the amount of categories you are allowed to have. All you have to do to set this up is to click on the Edit Categories button. In the Definition screen, click the Add button, and in the Name box, type in the name of the category you would like to have. Click OK to save. Continue creating your list of categories until you feel you'll have all the categories you may need. Once you establish your categories, now you can edit your existing buttons and organize them. For an example, if I would like to set my X-rays into my X-ray category, I can edit these buttons by double left clicking on them. In the Edit Procedure button box, I can just use the drop-down menu in the category field to select the category where I'd like this button to be found. Make sure you click OK to save any changes. Continue this process until your buttons are organized. Click on the category to see what buttons are available. If you would like to create a brand new button, first make sure to highlight the category where you'll want this button to be located in your chart module. Then click the Add button. This will bring up a blank procedure button screen. Type in the button's name. Since you've already highlighted the category, that's already set for you. You can select an image or import a custom image for easier button recognition. Now it is time to add your codes, since this is a custom button. We need to add the codes that will fulfill the description you've typed in. In the left-hand column where it says Add Procedure Codes, you'll click the Add button. This will bring up your CDT code list. Double left click on the different codes required to fulfill the button's description. Click Add again. Continue this process until all of the different codes required to fulfill your description have been entered. Once all of the codes have been added, click OK to save. Now when you go to the chart module, when it comes time to enter the treatment, you can simply highlight the category and then select your button. And your treatment is quickly and efficiently entered for you.